What's up guys, this is Afron Sarkar and this is our 6th UI challenge. So in this tutorial I will show you how can you make a design like this, right? So there are basically two page and at first we have to create this page, right? At first we have to complete this design, and whenever the user will click this back button, right, this page will appear also, right? So I will also tell you how can we make buttons like this and how can we make a slider like this, right? So let's get started. So for this page, we need to take a at first just wrap your whole body. Just think that at first you have to take a column for your body, and then uh, you need to take a row, right? You need to take a row for this thing, and then you have to take a container, a text widget, then a text widget, also then a text widget, a slider, and then again a row. So this is the pattern basically for this design, right? And for this you have also take a text widget, and then you need to take a row and then a list view, right? So I will also tell you how can you make buttons like this, right? This is really looking so cool and gorgeous, and I'll also show you, tell you how can you make a slider right this, because by default the slider is not looking like this, right? It's not like this. So let's go to Android Studio. So here for the first page, for this page, right? So you can see my widgets are how I align those widgets, right? So at first I have to take a row, size box, container, text, fine. So if you want to make a button like this, right? So you need to take help of box shadow widget, and for this slider you need to take help of slider theme. Okay, so you can let's see. So there have a container, and in this container I have set a height and width, right? And in the box decoration also, then there have a color, right? You can see the color code, and then there have two box shadow, right? Two box shadow widget for this, because I need to make a button like this, right? So you need to take box shadow, and this is the code basically. And then there have an icon, right? This is a back arrow back icon, right? So this is the thing. And let let me say one more thing. And if you want to make a slider, right, then you need to take help of slider theme also, because in your slider by default the slider is not looking like this, right? So you need to customize, you need to edit your slider. If you want to make like this, then you need to wrap your slider with slider theme data widget, right? So there are just a tracker height, and I have set as a value of 10, and then thumb shape, right, round thumb shape, and there have also a value. So you can also change the values, right? For if you want to make more customization, you can, there have multiple more properties, so you can also check all of them, right? So I think now, so this is all the course for first page, and this is our second page, right? And in this second page there have just, see, I have uh, single child scroll view, right, in my, and then a text widget, a slider, and then a row, right? And in this row there have a sample container, right? And then this sample container basically for this class, right? And then you need to take a column also, and in this column the details, right, the list details for music, you can see over here there are some musics, right? So this is the thing basically I wanted to share with you. So I hope I will also include the source code in my description box. So if you think that there have any problem, so you can also check it out, no problem. So this is the thing basically I wanted to share with you guys. So hope this video will help you, right? So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if you want, you can share those videos with your friends, right? And if there have any problems still exist, then you can tell me in the comment section, no problem. Okay, so thank you very much, guys.